Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by isolating the area and protecting yourself. Gloves, eye protection, and paper towels. Use a plastic scraper to lift loose paint. This avoids scratching the clear coat. Next, apply isopropyl 70% or a citrus-based remover to a folded microfiber and let it dwell for 60 seconds so the solvent softens the paint. Once the edge lifts, work from the top downward to prevent spreading debris into wheel well seams, and blot, not rub, to keep the area controlled. Once the surface paint softens, switch to a soft nylon brush and gently agitate textured wheel well surfaces to dislodge embedded flecks. This cleans where a cloth can't reach. Make sure to work in small sections of 2 to 3 inches so solvent action stays concentrated and you don't dry out the remover. After agitation, wipe with a clean microfiber and rinse the area with water. If residue persists, repeat applied well blot with fresh cloths until the finish is uniform and residue-free. You finish by drying the wheel well and applying a spray wax or polymer sealant to restore protection and repel dirt. Make sure to inspect the clear coat. If it appears dull, follow with a fine polish to blend the area. This preserves gloss and prevents oxidation. If stubborn paint remains after safe solvents, do not escalate with harsh scrubbing. Instead, consider professional detailing or targeted spot sanding performed by a pro. Troubleshooting tip: if the finish hazes, polish gently rather than reapplying solvent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.